At this time, it's my privilege to introduce a video presentation honoring Distinguished Service Award recipient Dr. Surendra Varma and his many contributions to medicine and to the patients of Texas.
Hello, my name is Dr. Ted Mitchell. I'm the president of Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center. And because I couldn't be there in person, I wanted to make sure that I had the opportunity to congratulate Dr. Surendra Varma on receiving the TMA's Distinguished Service Award. I grew up in Texas and I went to medical school in Texas as well as did my training in Texas. So one of the things that I figured out along the way is that there were certain professors that really made a difference in the lives of those around them. It wasn't, however, until I became the president of the Health Sciences Center at Texas Tech that I also realized that a lot of these professors have made the decision early in their careers to spend their time training the next generation of physicians and healers for society in general. Dr. Varma has been one of those. Dr. Varma, along with a small group of other faculty members back in the 1970s, had a dream, had a vision of what a sleepy West Texas town called Lubbock could do in adding back to the army of physicians that we've achieved over the course of the past 50 years. This has been nothing short of miraculous for the people of West Texas. Dr. Varma could have had many, many options having moved here from the Northeast, but he chose instead to stay here in West Texas and take this sleepy medical school from a small school out here in West Texas to now a school that graduates, a university that graduates over 2,000 healthcare professionals every year. For that, Dr. Varma, we're eternally thankful. And for this award, you have my most sincere congratulations. Way to go.
To the Texas Medical Association, thank you for recognizing Dr. Varma for his long and distinguished career in academic medicine and for his service to the TMA. 40 years with Texas Tech as an administrator, teacher, and clinician, an associate dean for graduate medical education, a professor of pediatrics, with a history of program directorship for more than 30 years, an endowed chair in medical education, the recipient of the Lifetime Achievement Award in Pediatrics from the TMA. Dr. Varma has mentored a generation of students and residents with a passion for both undergraduate and graduate medical education. There's no finer teacher, mentor, or advocate for young physicians. His achievements in international health are very much appreciated by the Texas Tech Health Science Center, developing collaborative efforts with schools in India, Thailand, and Vietnam. Dr. Varma is a longtime member of the Texas Medical Association and served all its committees, the Council of Medical Education, Council of Health Promotion, the Council of Scientific Affairs, the Committee on Academic Physicians. He's a scholar who has published over 100 peer-reviewed papers. We have so many committees at Texas Tech Health Science Center, and Dr. Varma has chaired them all. Dr. Varma is a friend, a gentleman, a constant light of optimism in a challenging time for academic medicine. Dr. Varma, congratulations on receiving the Distinguished Service Award from the TMA.
Congratulations, Dr. Varma. What an inspiration, and thank you. On behalf of the TMA, we present you this Distinguished Service Award presented to Surendra Varma, MD, for notorious achievement and service in the medical profession 2018. Congratulations.
Good morning. Good morning, fellow physicians, residents, and students. It is a privilege to receive this award, and I want to tell our students and residents that it is possible if you keep working. None of us, when we start our profession in medicine, we are thinking about any awards or so. Our goal is to serve the patients. Patients come first, and then, of course, a person like me for medical education. And like President Mitchell said, that I came from Northeast, and I thought that I will go back in 1 year, because when I was coming here, I thought Lubbock, Texas is somewhere between Dallas and Fort Worth. It didn't turn out to be. And what kept us there was that patients in my field of endocrinology, like diabetes in children, they had to go all the way to Galveston from El Paso, Lubbock, Odessa, Amarillo. So I could see the gratitude on the face of the parents. They don't have to go. Plus also I got involved in some state legislation regarding newborn screening for congenital hypothyroidism. That has been my greatest contribution, because each year we are saving 100 children, newborns, from developing mental retardation, and this is since 1980. At this point, I want to introduce my family here. My wife, Kamlesh Varma, my sister, Indra, and my daughter, Ritu, my son, Rishi, my nephew, Gautam, and my grandson, Sebastian. He chose to be here instead of doing homework, and Dr. and Mrs. Mishra. Dr. Mishra is my close family friend and from Lubbock, so he flew with us to just be here. It has been a long journey. We came to this country with $2.50 in Boston. Luckily, we had some friends who could help us. And I think that our goal was to do the best we can, learn, and then we chose to agree and not go back, to disappointment of Dr. Janeway, who brought me here from Boston Children. And my education in organized medicine started here in Texas with persons like Dr. Dashner, who is a legend, and he is not anymore. And he said that as an academician, because he was the chair of pediatrics at Galveston, he said that you need to be involved in medicine. I applaud each of you, the physicians who are here. I think most of you are in practice, and I think that you are devoting your time. Why? For the welfare of the patients. I think this is most applauding. I got also many good friends here. Dr. Flieger is somewhere, Dr. Spear is somewhere, Dr. Zaffron is somewhere, and of course, I don't want to, if I start naming everything, then plus also my Lubbock County delegation. And the one who is the unsung hero of this organization is Dr. Lou Goodman. I think since he came, this organization became outstanding and best in country. So I think I applaud Dr. Goodman. I'm sure there are many deserving candidates for this award. Sometimes I feel that like I am Forrest Gump at the right moment. So I think thank you again, and I'm very grateful. And I want to dedicate this to my wife, Kamlesh Varma, who sacrificed her own career to do that. We had 2 young children, and we had to decide that who will slow down and who will continue. Fortunately for our children, she decided to slow down. If it was me, probably I would be, I think, indicted by CPS. So I think and she is also my critique. I think she keeps me in line. So I think that I really appreciate all of you, Mr. President, and all of you, Madam Speaker, Mr. Speaker. I think that thank you for giving me this time. And
We'll get it down there for you.